hold the setting key for 2 seconds. By using the arrow key, it is possible to set the cut line, pattern, type of laser head, lifetime saver, and the total number of machine needles. To set the pattern, go to the pat. Hold the Enter key for 2 seconds until its current state starts to blink. Enter the number of the length of the pattern using the up and down keys. Touch the arrow key and use the up and down keys to enter the number of existing needles in the pattern. Hold the Enter key for 2 seconds to save the changes. To enter the total number of needles, go to the NDL. Hold the Enter key for 2 seconds until the first number from the left side blinks. Enter the number using the up and down keys. Press the arrow key and enter the next number in the same way. Hold the Enter key for 2 seconds to save the changes.